Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use internet browser on your PS4 in 2026. So many users don't realize the PS4 has a built-in web browser. So let's walk through it, how you can access and how you can basically use it. So first of all, you need to turn on your PS4. After that, you need to go to the main home screen. So here on the main home screen itself, you will find this type of tab, which is www. If you are not able to find it over here, you can just simply look for the option of library. In the library, you just have to use the search bar and then simply search for the www. Then you will be able to find it over here. As soon as you click on it, you will be redirected on this page where it is going to basically ask you first to enter the URL. So here you need to add www.google.com in the search bar. After that, when you hit the search button, the Google web browser will be opened in front of you. So over here, you can type any of the questions or any of the queries that you have. After that, click on the option of Google search. So this way you will be able to get access to the internet browser on your PS4 in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply leave the comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.